Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Endgame Tech, and this is the AKKO ACR Pro Alice Plus keyboard. And guys, this thing is awesome. If you've been considering an Alice layout and haven't tried one before, this is the keyboard to buy because it's only $129 completely built, or $99 if you buy the barebones kit, which is a steal. Now, the layout is awesome. I'll talk more about that in a minute. What I wanted to really show you, though, the reason for me putting this before the typing test is look at the crazy flex this keyboard offers. I'm not even pressing real hard, and look how much movement you have. You could just type normal and you can see that the keys move a little bit, and you can feel that in your fingertips. This is probably the bounciest keyboard I've ever used, and I've used a lot of gasket mounted keyboards now. AKKO just nailed it. So really, really well done. Let's look at a couple other things. So we have this layout, but I want to point out this too. Check out that weight. It's so colorful. There's so much character here. I love it when keyboard designers add character. We don't want to just have a keyboard that's like everything else. We want one that's going to be fun. We want one that matches our personality, and this one definitely has that character to it. Now, this thing also has some other things going for it. It has the AKKO ACR profile keycaps. It has AKKO switches in there. What's great about these keycaps, though, is they match super well, number one. Number two, you get the rest of the set inside the box, which to me makes that $129.99 price point even better, because these keycaps are great. They're double shot PBT, they're thick, very, very well done. Tall, sculpted, but not as tall as SA, so they're excellent. It also has your choice of AKKO Silver or AKKO Crystal switches. Also very good. They're pre-lubed from the factory. You don't have to open them, but you can, and they will improve if you do put that time in. So overall, just excellent. Now, there are a couple things to bear in mind here. This is a pre-made keyboard. It's not a super expensive keyboard, so you are going to lose a few things. Number one, there is no QMK or VIA support. This uses AKKO's Cloud driver, which gets the job done, but it is nowhere near as programmable as VIA or QMK. So hopefully they do add that at some point with a future release of this keyboard. The switches are north facing, right? So you may get some interference if you're using short pole switches and cherry keycaps. If you're using long poles or any of the AKKO switches or these ASA keycaps, interference isn't an issue, but it's something to bear in mind. The other thing that I really wish they included was a wrist rest, because this design doesn't really play well with normal wrist rests. And the thing is, this is actually a pretty tall keyboard. I mean, look at that. It's a pretty tall keyboard, right? So when you're actually typing on it normally, you're like kicking your hands up, which defeats a little bit of that ergonomic posturing. So you can use it with a normal, and this is what I've been doing, but it looks kind of janky. Like, you know, who wants to do that, right? You want one that's going to match. So hopefully they sell that. You can buy them aftermarket and everything, but it'd be nice if they included it right in the box. The stabilizers are kind of excellent. They are plate mount, so they're not as good as they possibly could be, but there was no rattle at all out of the box with these. Super, super well done. There's lots of secondary functions, so even though you don't have like home and end or print screen, those live here and here. There are media controls on this thing. Everything you would expect to see is really here, and you get the benefit of that extra bounce. I just can't get over that. I love it. When you're typing, that reverberation in your fingers is so unique to this keyboard, and it just makes me want to go back and do another typing test. So I'm not going to keep you any longer. We're going to get to the typing test. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more, and be sure to check this out. AKKO did a great job. It is not perfect, but for the $99 or $129 price point, it is very impressive. So definitely worth a closer look.